Oh, I think I just heard it pop.
Yeah.
Did I just hear? Let me get this. Let me get out the shadow. That's that Proline saw. A big bore in there? A big bore with a dome push top piston.
Yep.
Right. What about your squish? Low squish?
This one has 37,000.
37,000?
That one has around 33,000.
33,000.
Yep.
So mine's got more compression?
Yeah. I used to put the material on this.
Now that's 100% Proline brand aftermarket. So you bought everything individually.
Yep, had to.
So you've made your own kit.
Made my own kit.
And we were trying to figure out where all this stuff's coming from. But we think we identified some stuff. Now, I think you got a special home for that. You don't need to mention it right now. We'll mention that later. All right, like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Take care. Stay tuned for the Proline in wood in the future, along with that other high compression 660.